BBQRando is here tonight, and it is evening on the BBQRando Ranch here in Pyro City, Arizona. And you can see what I see. Do you see? TNT me! All right, we got a TNT Fountain demo for you tonight called Hot Shot. And I'll tell you what, still pretty hot down here in the valley. We were in around 98 today, so it was pretty warm. We're going to give you an exclusive demo. Let's see here. Showers of sparks, white, glittering, and crackles. There we go. Made in China. All right. Exclusive. There we go. All right. Come down here. You can see the car. There it is. You guys want to do it with me? Do you like to say this? Here we go. Okay, let's do it. Right? 1, 2, 3. Light fuse and get away. All right. So we're going to come and put this on the BBQRando launch pad. We're going to go ahead and light this up tonight. Hot shot. This one's for you. Okay. Off to the launch pad. Yeah. All right, so BBQRando is at the launch pad, and let's TNT me the Hot Shot Fountain, normally found in a Safe and Sane assortment here in Arizona. Here we go. Woo! Go back. Whoa! Whoa, that got some serious height from the launch pad. So, you know what I'm going to say at the end of every TNT Fireworks demo. You ready? TNT